start.
Hello friends! Today we have special device Xiaomi power adapter for 60 watt. Is, as I understand, new model, have 4 ordinary USB, 1 quick charge and 1 USB Type-C. I not buy this in internet, I buy in local shop. In really is only one shop in my country sells this and is lucky I get this model. And price not very big difference with order from China and have 1 year guarantee. So why not? This they have sticker. If somebody interesting, I buy in Ukraine. Price 999 grivna is approximately 44 dollar. I'm not sure. We already opened this box in shop, so it's not very clear unpacking. They also give to me power adapter free. Thank you shop. Xiaomi shop in Ukraine. This free adapter is not included. Okay. And what is have? It's have cable, power cable, USA connector, and really comfortable. I like this type. I prefer all would have some this. It's very good, compact and little. Here, and inside box have manual and power adapter. Pick manual will show little. Keys have China language and China language. Seems they bring from China. But I think it's not problem understand specification. By the way, you can show this box, this part. Maybe you can see specification, can understand. How 4-port USB have a 5 volt 4.8 ampere, but I think not more than 2.4 ampere per one. Is summary 4.8 ampere for 4-port. One quick charge USB port type A. If 5 volt can 3 ampere work, 9 volt 2 ampere, and 12 volt 1.5 ampere. And USB Type-C exactly same specification. So it's interesting to see. This is they have sticker. We open this sticker, unstick. No need. For what?
Okay.
For test, but you record with this phone. Yes, we test. We record with phone what we can charge. This you can try focus on this part. Really is same specification what they have on box. Yes. Not have difference. So how is a length approximately? No, you cannot show. Okay, I will half. Cable is approximately how many? I think more than 50 centimeter, maybe 1.5 meter. No? Yes, maybe.
I think 1 meter.
I think
1.5.
yes, I think 1.5 meter cable. This length. So just connect here and connect to plug. I not remember is have LED or not. I will. Yes, it's have. Okay, I will connect to plug, and you will see this have LED. Another test. Okay. Moment. I will use this device for super fast test how it work, but in really it just show how is power have in ordinary port. Okay, we'll do this. This have 5 volt. Okay, we can even connect phone, another phone, iPhone 5s, and let's see but it's not support fast charge about iPhone device, so we cannot test exactly. But in really, I already connect Google Pixel to every from this port, even ordinary they Pixel show about charge rapidly, so it means it's fast charge for Google Pixel. He get from every port, so 2 ampere is fast charge for Pixel. Okay, and if I connect to a quick charge port, iPhone, I think it will be exactly same, of course. So is for ordinary phone not have sense where you connect, but if you have device WhatsApp or quick charge 3, is bonus to have this device. And if you see, if you connect some device what very wide more, not just plug, he close near port. So if I connect tester, I cannot use neighbor ports together with him, but ordinary people not
Use
connect.
cable.
Yes, if you connect cable, is not have any problem. Just
They not
cable.
have problem. It's
Yes.
cable.
You can connect enough cable for charge everything what you need. So thank you for stay with us.
You
Huh?
try another cable for test very near together. We will have USB.
Another cable. I'm not sure about is need to show this, but I can connect USB Type-C cable without device and just cable near together. Up, and it looks like this.
Seem different.
Yes, different cable connect to charges. Very, very comfortable device.
BRF, you have 3 more.
Yes, and still have free 3 port. Very good. Okay, okay. So this is Xiaomi. This how is name original. And 60-watt model. Okay. Thank you for see this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Bye bye. Happy to everyone.